So for every technopreneur you have in team A and in team B, this is one pair, you make 500. So the more pairs you have, the more money you make. And in this example, when at the end you will have 925 people on each side, it actually gives you 462,500 pesos. Who already has 925 people on each side? That was my question earlier, who made already 500,000 or more? This is the money you make on the pairing bonus and the referral bonus. But keep in mind what I just showed you in MYTURF, you can make money there as well. On the pairing bonus, your limit is 30,000 a day, 210 a week, 900,000 a month. So this comes on top of the money you can make in MYTURF. So let me show you something. Who has 2 friends in Facebook? Well, I had 2 friends when I started last year, who I invited into V-Mobile. I put one of them in team A, I get 500 pesos, one in team B, 500. This becomes one pair, so this is 1.5. Since I didn't have more friends, I asked my friends, can you get 2 people each? So 2 in A, 2 in B, 2 pairs times 500 is 1,000. Total income 2.5. Everybody follows this. So after 6 months, according to this, you make 32,500. After 5.5 months doing this business 2 hours a day, I was a millionaire. How come? I have more than 2 friends. This is just an example. What happens if you only invite 2 friends, who only invite 2 friends, who only invite 2 friends? Then you make this amount of money. But of course you have more than 2 friends, so you make more money than this. So when you continue, just on this basis, still after 1 year, you will make 1.9 million pesos and you only invested 3,988. Who wants to be a millionaire? So you already know MYTURF and pairing bonus, correct? But let's take a look. If you have one account, you only have one team A, one team B. So this is just an example. Let's say you are a technopreneur, you are in the business for a few weeks, and you have 40 technopreneurs in team A, 40 in team B. How many pairs is this? 40 pairs, correct. Times 500, you make 20,000. And gives you as much as 900,000 a month, depending on how fast it is growing. I have 3 accounts. So I invested a little bit more, and when you get 3 accounts, it looks like this. Let's use the same 80 technopreneurs and I place them down here. That means 20 each. Account number 2, 20 in team A, 20 in team B. So how many pairs is this? 20. Same for account number 3, right? So that is 10,000 each. How about account number 1? How many pairs? 40. So that's 20,000. Now your total income is 40,000 pesos. One account, 80 people gives you 20,000. But the same 80 people, when you have 3 accounts, doubles your money. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Yeah. Same amount of people, same amount of time, more than double the money. For the existing members, we all know PV, right? Yes. Makes easily more than 2 million a month because he has more than 1 account. That's the reason why. More accounts means more money. Klaar hoor? So I want to give you a comparison. I just showed you the perfect pairing income on MYLX. That meant after 1 year you make 1.9 million, right? And most of us for now are focusing on this. Correct? Yes. Now let's add MYTURF to this. If you do MYTURF as a techno user, just signing up other techno users, after 8 levels you already make 262,000. But as a technopreneur, it continues. 16 million. And this is from signing up. And then all these techno users are going to load themselves. And you make 442,000 a month. So the question is, do you want to do MYLX Do you want to sign up other techno users, or do you want to get the monthly override? Correct, you want to do all. V-Mobile has all of this available to you. So why just focus on one of them? Because if you do all of this, you can make 20 million in 1 year. So don't just focus on one of these, really do everything. Now comes the amazing part, which most people don't realize. You have 12 levels of techno users in MYTURF, correct? 12 levels is a total of 797,000. Now a lot of us are loading more than 500 pesos a month, right? So let's say 10% of these people are loading more than 500. So that's 79,000 people under you. So you are the technopreneur, and all of these people are under you as techno users. So let's say these 10% is loading 700 a month. So you make them load 500 MYTURF and 200 regular products. Because you get your GRO from all of them, the 1 to 2%. It's another 320,000 a month. The people you sign up in MYTURF as a techno user are now your techno users as a TP. Everybody thinks the 20 techno users is the limit for your 1 to 2% GRO, right? Yeah. Not when you add MYTURF to it. The people you get as techno users in MYTURF become your techno users also for your GRO 1 and 2%. So you make money from MYTURF, and everything that exceeds the 500 a month, you teach them to load the regular products that we have, and you make the 1 to 2% GRO. Earlier I showed you from 20 people you make 12 to 24,000. From you people from MYTURF, you make easily 160 to 320,000. So it is your choice to become a technopreneur or a techno user. Remember, technopreneur, you make more money and you have more business opportunities. As a techno user and technopreneur, you have load extreme, selling the products, and MYTURF in common. And the pairing bonus and referral bonus is only for the technopreneur. And that is what V-Mobile is all about. And this is what I wanted to show you as part of the BOM, the presentation that we have. Any question? You can ask me in Dutch, in German, in English.